Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift mild hybrid. In this video I'll show you how to replace front and rear wipers. Suzuki Swift mild hybrid from 2026 does not have typical wiper service position because it does not need one. You can freely open the wipers without touching the hood. To remove the wiper wing, firstly we have to unlock the lock here. It's best to use some kind of tool like flat screwdriver, then open it. Let me use the key fob. In this case, place it here and pull it upwards. Now, when the wiper wing is unlocked, push it downwards so you'll be able to remove it. Now you can eject this part of the wiper to replace it. Once you replace it, place it back like this, push it upwards and don't forget to lock it. The procedure is same for the second wing. Take a look at the back. To replace rear windshield wiper, we have to open it and then push it like this. Don't worry, it will not break. Now we can replace this part and then we can place it back like this and simply push it in. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.